Compliments of the season, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Let's make this gorgeous gigantic bow, gigantic, whichever it is. Let's make this Christmas bow for my Christmas tree. All you gotta need is 3 sheets of Everfoam sheets, glitter Everfoam sheets. 3 is gonna give you the size I did. If you want it bigger, you can, but I think 3 is perfectly big enough for your tree, any tree size you want to use. So first you fold it, the Everfoam sheet in half, and then you're gonna have 6 pieces of Everfoam sheet. You fold it in half, cut it in half, and you have 6 pieces of Everfoam sheets. Next, you're gonna take one half, attach your gun just like you see me do, fold it, and then pleat it into a bow. You're just gonna see what I'm gonna do. So two pleats of Everfoam sheet is gonna make one part of the bow. Another 2 is gonna make one part of the bow. Then the remaining 2 sheets of foam sheet you cut out, it's gonna be for the tails of the bow. So just watch what I'm doing. It's self-explanatory. I'm so sorry about my voice. I went, for like Omble yesterday, GTCO Food and Drinks in Lagos, and I stayed for the after party, which DJ Spinoff came, and I screamed my lungs out. So that's why my voice is a bit, hecky. Like I said, you're gonna need two sheets to create one side. So I'm gonna be repeating that part on the second one. When you're done pleating all your 4 sheets, you attach them together. 2 sheets for one side of bow, 2 sheets for another side of bow, and then you join it together to create your bow. You can decide to leave the bow separated, like the 2 sheets separated like this, like having this space in between them. But because I did not like it, I had to close mine. For the remaining sheet of Everfoam, you're gonna just draw an angled line on it and cut it. Draw it oppositely, then pleat it the same way you did the first one, and then attach it to your bow. It's self-explanatory, very, very self-explanatory. I think you guys watching the video might even understand it better than me explaining. I think I'm just making you confused. But don't forget to leave a comment if you're confused. This Everfoam sheet is very affordable. I think it's like 1,000 naira or 1,200 or 1,500 or even less than that. So yeah, it's very affordable. And if you want me to do this for you, if you stay around Lagos, let me know. I can do it and deliver it for you. At least it's more economical than buying a bigger bow in the market. So yeah, enjoy the vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, do all the good stuffs. So guys, I'm using the leftover piece of Everfoam sheet, which I cut out of the tail part of the bow. I'm just going to use that to close up the middle part of the bow. So just watch what I'm doing. Like I said, NEPA decided to show themselves, so I had to go outside and use my neighbor's outside light to sit down and complete the video, because I had to post this video. Like I was supposed to post it last week though, but I was so busy with so many other things, so I had to finish doing that shoot. last week. So yep, that was what happened. And after that, like I said, if you don't like your bows to be separated, like you see these two sides is open, just close it by applying gum to the sides, and it will be one bow. But you're gonna see how I'm gonna do it, so just keep watching, guys. So as you can see, guys, your bow is done. If you want to leave it like this, it's perfectly fine. But like I said, I did not like the way it was separated, so I had to close my own, just like you see me do right now. I just inserted one into one and I closed it up, just to give it a uniformed bow. But if you don't like it, if you love it separated, you can do that. And this is what I have here. It looks so big, so massive. In fact, the video makes it look like it's small, but trust me, it is not small. It's already up on my tree and I forgot to measure the width and the length, but trust me, it is very big. If you have made use of ever foam sheets, you know that the size and the length is actually very long. So this is a very big bow. You can do this in any color you like, and it's lightweight. I didn't even have to use wire to attach it to my tree. I just used the tree itself to wrap it around it, and that was how I attached it on the tree, looking so beautiful, looking so amazing. Can you see my DIY Christmas balls on the tree, looking so beautiful? If you have still not seen the video on how I made that Christmas balls, you're missing a whole lot. Please go check it out. And if you've not seen the video of how I made my Christmas tree basket, go and check it out. Like, everything on my tree is DIY apart from the tree. Feel free to call me a DIY queen, guys. And I'm sorry about my voice again, but look at my tree. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. I love it. Tell me, do you love it? Did I try my best, and is it beautiful? Just let me know. This is me just trying to reduce the lighting so you can see it properly. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, for liking, for sharing, for leaving a comment, for giving a super thanks, for everything. I really do not take it for granted. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Please stay tuned to the end of the video because I have some good news for you. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye, guys. God, I beg. My voice, Jesus.
He